Hi there, I'm Abe Stone and this is CoachingReallyWorks.com. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. It's great to have you here. Today, I want to leave you with a thought about your goals. Alright? Now, goals can be an extremely discouraging topic when you realize that there are so many things that you haven't accomplished, so much further that you have to go. But then at the same time, if you look at them, you can realize that, well, there's so much that you have done in your life, that these next goals are achievable, they are attainable. Now, a lot of times when we get to this time of the year, we're looking at the next couple of months and we realize the year is almost over. And most of us, we get so busy with the holiday season that we don't really pay attention, and we get to the end of the year and you really can't do anything. You sort of lose track of, well, how far did I come? Did I reach that goal? What could I still do this year to reach the goals that I have for this year? You look at the next year, you're discouraged, the year hits you, you've got to start running, and you're not ready. You don't really have clarity, and you take some time, but the year is already in, and then you repeat this cycle again and again and again. What is something that you could do to stop this sort of vicious cycle of not really quite getting there and trying again, not really getting there and trying again? I found that recently I was in that situation and it was really bugging me. It was bugging me like crazy. And I talked to my coach about it, and there was something that she brought up, and she explained something very simple. She said, well, first she asked me a question. She said, well, Abe, what is your vision for your life? I was like, well, I would like to, get my business set up and really, use it to, to help others and to support my family. And no, you gotta think bigger. Think bigger. What is your vision? And I kind of pulled back, well, I'd really like to, spend time with my children and invest in my children and set them up with, real understanding about life and get them off to good, good educations, good beginning in their lives. And I'm having a hard time with that because I'm not with them right now. Okay, well, that was my bigger vision. And then I realized these other things, setting up a business or the job that I have, or the phone calls, or where I am, or going to see my kids. All these things were strategies to living a bigger vision that I had in my life. Now, after the strategies, then there were different projects that are involved in those things that get me moving forward. And then being able to identify them, put dates to them, well, I need to do this by this date, and watching how everything leads to my ultimate vision, that really changed things for me. And that's one thing that I want you to think about right now, before you get into this holiday season, before you, get discouraged about not reaching your goals, or you start to look at the pile of goals that you have for next year. Just take some time to really think, what is your vision? What is your big vision? Not just, get a raise or start a business, or, these things that are very important and big keys to our happiness and to our fulfillment in life. But what is the big vision? Where do you want to be? What do you see as there? How do you feel being there? What are you experiencing? Who's there with you? Think about that big vision. And then when you have that vision, everything that you decide, all the different strategies or projects that you work on, they are all going to somehow either tie into that goal, or they're going to not tie into that goal. And you're going to be able to make those decisions quickly because you realize, well, this is not taking me towards my big vision. I need to work on things that will. Okay? Now, one last tip, be sure to set SMART goals. Okay? Make sure that things that you can measure. Make sure that there are things that they're time specific. You know that by this time, you're going to be able to be at that goal. You're going to work hard and make it happen. Well, I'd like to leave you with those thoughts, and here's the quote for today. Success is about dedication. You may not be where you want to be or do what you want to do when you're on the journey, but you've got to be willing to have vision and foresight that leads you to an incredible end. That's by Usher. All right, now let me leave you with a great affirmation to help you with your vision. And remember, be sure to write this down. Put it by your bedside so you can see it at night, or on your mirror so you see it in the morning and the evening. And repeat it at least 3 times every time you see it. I see in my mind a clear picture of myself having already accomplished my own true goal. Well, I hope you find this training video helpful in your life. If you're watching this anywhere else, come over to CoachingReallyWorks.com. That's where I post this video and other great training videos. I'd love to see you there. And be sure to give me a thumbs up in YouTube, or give me a thumbs down if that's the case. I really don't care. I just want to know what you think. And if you have any ideas or things that you would like to learn or hear about, please drop me a line. I'd love to hear from you. This is Abe Stone, the Life Design Coach at CoachingReallyWorks.com. Bye for now. Take care.